In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best mini table saws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the mini table saws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ALLSOME Mini Bench Saw. The ALLSOME Mini Bench Saw is a compact and versatile tool perfect for DIY woodworking crafts. It features a vacuum cleaner interface for hassle-free chip removal, a protective fence for safety, and a scaled desktop for precision cutting. The 7-class power adapter allows adjustable speed for different materials, ensuring flexibility and accuracy. Built with a solid steel frame, it provides long-lasting durability and flatness. Whether you're crafting small items or working on intricate projects, this mini bench saw offers exceptional performance at an affordable price, making it a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4, Electric Table Saw. This electric table saw is designed for precision and versatility, making it ideal for carpentry and DIY projects. Equipped with overload protection for enhanced safety, it features a high-speed DC motor that delivers efficient and accurate cutting. The saw includes 3 interchangeable blades, enabling it to handle various materials with ease. Installation is simple, with all necessary accessories provided. Compact yet powerful, it's suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers looking to achieve professional results in their projects. Number 3, Compact Powerful Mini Table Saw. The Compact Powerful Mini Table Saw is perfect for home DIY woodworking projects. With a 7-gear speed control, you can easily adjust it for precise cutting. Its precise scale design ensures accurate measurements, while the acrylic guard provides enhanced safety during operation. The dust pickup hose keeps your workspace clean, allowing you to focus on your craft. Compact in size but robust in performance, this table saw is an excellent addition to any home workshop or crafting setup. Number 2, 150W Mini Bench Saw Belt Sander for DIY woodwork. This 150W Mini Bench Saw and Belt Sander is a versatile tool for woodworking and metal processing. It offers luxury accessories for sawing, cutting, sanding, and drilling. The 150W motor ensures superior performance, and the 7 variable speed settings adapt to diverse work needs. Its durable metal body enhances reliability, making it a valuable addition to any DIYer's toolkit. Ideal for craft projects and precision tasks, it combines performance and versatility in a compact form. Number 1, Compact 24V Multifunctional Table Saw for DIY projects. The Compact 24V Multifunctional Table Saw is a reliable choice for woodworking enthusiasts. It includes a high-speed steel plate and accessories for precision cutting. The lightweight design minimizes accidental injuries, while the laser-engraved scales ensure accurate measurements. A safety baffle protects fingers during operation, adding an extra layer of safety. Perfect for hobbyists and small workshops, this table saw offers professional-grade features at a budget-friendly price.